Today I'm going to show you how to make lasagna.
Alright, so these are the ingredients you'll need. Alright, so the first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you just make the meat sauce. After the second step, you will add the tomato sauce. Then, as the sauce cooks, you will make the ricotta mixture. Then you stir well until that's incorporated. Then you cook the pasta to al dente. Then you're going to assemble the lasagna. And after that, you'll add the final layer of noodles. You'll cover that with foil and cooking spray. Then bake for 45 minutes. Then you remove the foil, bake 15 more minutes, let cool, and then you get lasagna.